Hey, welcome to the strong yoga workout. We're going to be doing two movements only. They are going to be compound movements because we don't have time. We're trying to salvage and manage the time. One warm up, one cool down, and two compound movements. Let's go. So, first things first, we need to talk about the basics, the foundation, syncing your move with breath. So, basically, we're going to be starting this whole workout with our breath. Deep breathing. We are inhaling for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 3 seconds, and then exhaling it for 6 seconds. And we're going to do two of that before we finally start. I'm wanting to set a timer so that when we start our workout, the timer will just go, just go. Okay, okay. Now we start with our breathing. Remember, inhale for 4, hold for 3, and then exhale for 6. All right, ready? Let's go. 2, 1. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And again.
Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do you see that? You would feel it in your belly. Right now that your core has been engaged, we can start. Starting with our cobra push-ups for 30 seconds. That will be our warm-up. And you put a timer. And here's how we do it. Basically starting on all fours. You lower yourself down with your upper body weight. So it's only your upper body that is moving. And then you always want to move with your breath. This is a cobra stretch, so this is supposed to. 30 seconds is up already. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going into the oblique crunch to pike. From there, we move straight into the warrior lunge. So even with the oblique crunch to pike, where let me set my alarm. We're going to do this for. I'll put it for 50 seconds just to talk about the form and all that. I'm sure by the time I start it, 10 seconds would have passed. So timer starts now. So here's how we do it. We're starting on all fours. Okay, you know what? Let me turn like this because I want to start with my left leg. We'll take it one leg after the other. So we're starting on all fours, right? And then the leg you want to work with, which is my left leg here. First things first, we're lengthening the leg, lifting, bringing it to the side so that it touches the oblique, taking it back down. Once it goes down, use it to push yourself back up so that you do the pike. Did you get that? And always remember to move with your breath. And going straight into our warrior lunge. Normally, you can do this from all first. See that. Feel free to do something in front of you for support. Right? Getting into our lunge position. Place the leg. And then we are lunge. Moving with our breath. Do you see that? Inhale down. Exhale up. Okay. And then repeat for the other side. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and then here. So, and then lift obliques, back, down, and back. Slowly draw down. Cause you're in touch. And then straight to warrior lunge. Okay. Lunge. Oh. We are going to take a rest for 10 seconds. There's no other. You would not have felt that in your body. Now, we're moving next. We're moving to the other one, which is the downward dog to knee tap. My camera is on now. So, we're still starting on all fours. Untuck your toes, that's what they call it, right? To push yourself up. This is downward dog. And then when you're coming back down, you are doing something like a bear crawl. So your knees are not touching the floor, but they are going in. Did you get that? Did you see that? And that's it. You can start to repeat the whole session for another 2 rounds so that you complete 3 sets. However, I'm going to go straight into the cool down, which will be the opposite of the cobra push-ups. It will be just a cobra stretch, right? We're lifting downwards until our chest is touching the mat, legs elongated, and then go. And when we're up, we're just gonna breathe. Remember that when you're breathing, you always want to hold your breath for 3 seconds before you exhale through your mouth. You're breathing in through your nose. Imagine if you fit the short workout somehow into your morning. Very beautiful. It is. See you in the next one.